ingredient. Today we're making shea butter soap. I'm going to be showing what I'm going to be using and what's going to be in the soap today. Today I'm going to be using shea butter soap block, some more shea butter, oatmeal, a soap pour, honey almond scent, mango scent, and vitamin E. My first soap today, I'm going to be making a mango with oatmeal soap. The soap pieces, and now I'm going to put it in the microwave for 1 minute. We are waiting on our soap to melt. We are going to clean up. So now I'm going to be adding some mango scent and vitamin E oil. I also got this from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to put in some mango scent, but I usually don't count how many drops I put in. I just put in drops until it smells good. I'm going to add in 1 drop of vitamin E. I'm going to add some oatmeal. I use my Heart soap mold support in the soap. So I'm using a silicone mold because it's very easy to pop out. So while that is setting, we're going to be making some more soap. This shea butter is actually cocoa butter. I'll be using cocoa butter and shea butter soap base for my next soap. What I'm going to be adding in is vitamin E, and that's it. So here's what the soap base looks like. A very yellow color. I'm going to add some vitamin E in. Now, for my last and final soap, I am going to be doing an unscented soap. This time, this soap is not going to have any cocoa butter in it. Here's the soap. Remember to always clean as you go, even if it's soap. Put in the vitamin E, so let's pour on the soap. So now we're going to be letting these soaps set until they are dry. I'm going to let these soaps set for like an hour. So here is what the soaps look like now. So now I'm going to start pulling them out. All in all, I still need the cocoa butter to solidify in, but otherwise, these other soaps look good. Alright, so that's it for the end of this video. I hope you like, subscribe, and comment, and also make soap at home. Alright, I'll see you later in the next video. Bye!